up YouTube? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add a realistic gun pack sound 2026. Y'all know the vibes. Alright, so listen, if y'all go to my Discord server, it's going to be pinned inside the chat. the fucking, oh, just cut that part out. Basically, it's going to be in my server, MZ shop. It's going to be right here. You're going to click here, install, right? Let me show you how it's gonna be right here. Click install. Okay, once you have that installed, it's gonna be right here. You open it. Right here you got your residence and your weapon player. Okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your file explorer and you're gonna find where your GTA is. Mine's on my D drive, so I'm gonna go to my D drive. And I know I have multiple GTAs, but you know, it's because I installed GTA multiple times, but it's gonna be this one right here. Alright, so you're gonna go X64 audios CFX. Okay, then you get your uh, residence and weapon RPF. Then you're gonna select both, drag and drop in the empty space. Since I already have it, I'm not gonna drag and drop. Alright, once you have it there, you're gonna close down everything, right? And then you're gonna go to a FiveM. Okay, once your FiveM is uploaded, good. I'm gonna join a random server. I play Gun RZ so you guys could hear the sound effect of the guns. And more videos will be posted, different tutorials for different stuff. I'll show y'all. Let's see. My shit taking low-key long. Gotta times 2 this bitch. I bet. Now that you're in the server, you can honestly just get a gun and you can hear the sound. Right now I'm gonna show you guys a gun. I'm gonna use a switch, cause that's what y'all YNs love using. Sounds insane. Wait, let me use a normal pistol. Glock 17. Yeah, if y'all like this video, please make sure to subscribe and like and comment. And to be able to get this pack, you have to join my Discord server and download the media file. Alright, have a safety day. Love and peace.